babes, welcome back to the channel. So as y'all can already see by the title, today we're going to be doing a packing and shipping video. I have about four orders, I believe. So we're going to be packaging those orders. And I just want to let y'all know that I do have like about 5 videos that I will be posting like back to back. Simply because, well, I have another packaging video that I have. So this video, another packaging video that I've been made, I just never uploaded it. So I will be uploading that one, and then this one, and then I have unpackaging that I'm going to do today, part 1, and then part 2 will be my lashes, and then part 3 of my unpackaging will be my custom lash cases or whatever. So it's gonna be like 5 videos, and then I'll probably do one. It's some other ideas that I have that I might bring to y'all as well, but I'm not going to make this video long. Let's go ahead and hop right up into this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you are new. Hit that subscribe button. Join the Pretty Girl crew. And also, don't forget to follow us on our business Instagram. I will have it on the screen. And I will also have the link down in the description box. So make sure y'all check it out and all that good stuff. And also, don't forget to check out my websites. My website will be taken down April the 1st because I just made a new logo. Well, I didn't make a new logo. I had a new logo made. So, all of my stuff will have my new logo on it and all that stuff. So, I'm shutting my website down April the 1st. And my website will be back up and running April the 19th. But right now, all of my lashes are marked down to $3. I'm trying to get rid of them because the lashes that I have and the lash cases, I will not be having any more of those. Like I said, I have custom lash boxes on the way, and I have 25 mm lashes, and then I have 3D lashes. So it kind of gives everyone a variety to choose from. Where else are you going to find real mink eyelashes on sale for $3? So make sure y'all check out my website, all that good stuff. Like I said, website will be down April 1st. So get y'all order in now. And without further ado, let's hop right into this video. Okay, y'all. So we have all of our packaging slips printed. Have a total of 4 orders. Ooh, she got a big order. But nevertheless, from her, she always ordering a lot of stuff from me. And I'm just so thankful. So thankful, so thankful. I wonder did she get to use the discounts? She got a deal. Damn. She probably done sold out it. Made everything sell out. What? Okay, so they're all lashes. Like, she's gonna have lashes for days. Okay, so I'm not gonna do any talk in this video. I'm literally am going to package it up. Okay, y'all, so for all the orders that have lashes, which is pretty much all of them, they're gonna get a free spoolie and a free tweezer or whatever. So I'm gonna set it out my hand. And I just put her name on there, her last name on there. So instead of using these, I'm just going to see if I can peel them off. I don't want to have to peel them off. So what I'm gonna do is, if you get these I got these printed, but they were, I made a mistake. So it just says thank you for supporting my, and I put my right there twice by accident, my small business. So if you get this, just know it was an error made. But I'm gonna still put these on your packages because I think they're really, really cute. How cute is that? And to cover up my mistake, I'm just gonna put the thank you sticker and put a thank you sticker on it. That's so cute. So cute. Okay, so I covered up my mistake, so nobody will know but y'all. Okay? Alright, y'all, so I'm on my way to the post office. Hopefully my phone don't fall. I got this sitting up on the door, but I have my packages and stuff sitting in the seat. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. But that basically is gonna conclude this video once I drop these packages off. And right after this video, if y'all see me in the same thing, then you know, just know it's the same day. And I'm gonna be unpackaging my my packages or whatever. Now all of them are not here. I'm still waiting on 2 more packages, and then I'm waiting on my lashes and my custom lash boxes. So I probably won't post the one that I'm about to record today, so you'll probably see at the beginning of that video me wearing this, and then the ending of the video I'll be wearing something different because I'll probably wait until it come in before I post the video. But we're almost Let me post office, you guys. I love you just the way God made you, girl. You don't make mistakes. What you call your imperfection, I call We're almost there, y'all. It's hot. Today has been a hot day. A hot day. I'm sorry for me looking ratchet, looking crazy. Today was really a chill day. I went and got my nails done, my brows done, and my feet done. So, it's a pretty chill day. Alright, pulling up, y'all. Y'all see the blue man? Okay. One, two, three, and four. Well, four. Okay, and if y'all see y'all orders being shipped in this video, thank y'all so much for shopping with me. If you haven't got a chance to shop my lashes, my $3 minks, make sure y'all check them out, shop all that good stuff. And remember, my website will be going down April the 1st. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. And I will see y'all in my next video. The phone fell. Bye.